Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to find the perfect solution to a microwave that is up against the wall on the left side. We have to find a good replacement microwave and we are going on a journey to pick the right one. There aren't many, so keep watching and we will get a good one and replace it. I am at the local Lowe's store and as you can see, looking at these microwaves, this one in particular 3/4 of an inch sticking out to the left, and that is not gonna work. Now let's move on to the next Frigidaire Gallery series here, a high-end Frigidaire. That's got about a 1/4 inch sticking out on the hinge. That is not gonna work either. Here's the base model or the medium grade Frigidaire, and $379. It's on sale for $320 today. And this particular model is perfect. Look at that. It's flush with the body. The hinge is recessed inside, and this is exactly what we need. And this is probably what we're gonna buy. And it looks pretty darn good. Good price. And let's move on. Now I got a KitchenAid here, which I also figured is perfectly lining up. It is on extremely good sale from $800 down to $399, I believe. So it is a good sale, and the hinge seems to be perfectly fitting as well. The problem is it's back ordered to 10 days delay or 2 weeks, something like that. So I need to order it in order for this to come. Now let's move on. Here I have another one that doesn't work. I believe is a Whirlpool or a Samsung. Here's another Samsung that clearly doesn't work, 1/2 inch sticking out to the left. Whirlpool, and this is terrible. More than that's a big swing right there. All right, so let's move on to the next one. This is really interesting. A half-size slim version, and look where the hinge is. The hinge is about 3 inches to the right side of the wall, so this would perfectly work. I even like the fact that it is slim, so you have more space on the cooking area, but you cannot put tall items into the microwave. It's on sale for $399. That's good, except there's nothing in stock in this store, so that's a disappointment on that. We identified 3 different models that'll fit our need, and I'll put the link in the description. I ended up buying the one in stock, the Frigidaire. There are 2 good things about this particular model of microwave that fits this scenario. One, the hinge. If you notice, it's flush against here, and when I open it, the door doesn't come out. It sits within that space, and now we have a perfect line here. It won't hit the wall. So that is one of the primary reasons we bought this. The other reason is normally microwaves are 30-inch wide, and this one is about 1/4 inch less than 30. Some of them are dead on 30 or 1/8 of an inch less than 30. This would give that little extra 1/8 of an inch, makes a difference in not scraping the wall even if the door comes out 1/8 of an inch. So those 2 are good. This is the Frigidaire base model. I'll put the link in the description. All right, microwave is installed, flush against the wall, as you can see here. But when we open, perfectly doesn't hit the wall, and it stops just about there. And that is exactly what we wanted. In this case, nice fit. And this model, I'll put the link in the description. You can pick it up from Lowe's or Amazon or something. And that's how you tackle a microwave with a wall to the left of it. You have a few options. 1, the hinge that is flush. 2, the hinge that starts a little bit over here with the model I showed, the slim fit models. And then the 3rd option is actually moving the cabinet an inch or something and then deal with it at that point. All right, I'll see you in the next video.